day trip planned out to the old capital today, Ayutthaya. Hope I'm saying that right, don't want to butcher it, but yeah, all aboard the train. Just about to depart, we made it plenty of time, and unlike the last train journey, she's just about empty, which is mint. Guys are just directing the last couple of passengers on and we'll be ready to make a move. Ticket man's just come to inspect our tickets and click them. They are third class tickets. The third class tickets, they're 20 baht each. Absolute bargain. Got our boat tickets, 10 baht each. Going to take us over the other side. We'll get some push bikes. It's not too bad actually. It's a bit of blue sky about. It's not hot, so we'll go for a ride around the old city for an hour or so. Get something to eat and see what's happening. Looks good. Now we've got to contend with this barge. Bloody hell, look at the size of this thing. Just parked all our trusty steeds. Delaney's might be on the look for a first squirrel. There it is. Hey. It's actually really well kept here, it's nice. It's nice, isn't it, mate? pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. These are just some remnants here that they've got. Really old Buddha head there. So the Buddha's head in the tree is over there, but we've got a bit of work going on today. So if you want to take photos, you've got to sit down there like that. Okay, so you can do that and I'll take a photo of you and Lanes if you want to sit there together. Yeah, all these heads have been taken off during the war with the Burmese, I believe. But yeah, man, this is pretty impressive. It's awesome. Having a look around site number 2, or our second site. This is site number 3 on the map. I'll put that picture of the map up on the screen, show you where we're ridden. But yeah, pretty impressive. Once again, I might have a quick look inside this. I don't know whether Lena and Laney have got the correct outfits, but we'll have a quick look. Giving those boat noodles a crack. Laney's not impressed.
Mum just
Lena's just sneezed noodles out her nose straight into Laney's bowl, so Laney's done. These are yeah, full local, man. There's intestine in them, and you can see the liver there. Liver was a bit gamey, so I'm leaving that second bit, but I ate the first bit. But the broth is good.
I got a tiny bit.
You alright, honey?
Yeah, mate.
I think you've still got a bit of noodle on your chin, mate. Good on you.
Yeah, I have.
How you doing, Lane? You alright now?
How do you do, Martha?
Alright, we're only going to have one bowl here. It is a boat noodle place, so you're supposed to have more than one, but we'll try something else a bit down the road and see what that's like. Got it, Lane. Cup.
Flight 284. This flight will be boarded for seasonal